We're Megan and Anna, a multicultural couple who live in New Zealand but love to travel to new places. We are currently about to travel to the beautiful South America for 4 weeks, where we get to explore some of the most magical places, including Argentina, Chile, and Brazil. We can't wait to show you this truly beautiful place, from food to culture and landscapes. On that note, let's go to South America. Hola, bienvenido a Santiago, Chile. Hello and welcome to Chile, Santiago. So myself and Anna flew from Auckland to Santiago yesterday. Now that took us around 11 hours. It was a really long flight, but then we landed here in Chile. Now we have a couple of days here in Chile to explore. It's actually our first time in Chile at all, so we are so excited to explore this beautiful, beautiful place. We are doing something extremely cool today, and this is an absolute must-do in Chile. Now we are going to a place called Valparaiso. Now they actually call this the jewel of South America. Now to actually get to Valparaiso though from Santiago in the centre, it's around a 2-hour journey. So we need to catch the metro, then hop onto a bus, but it'll be so worth it when we get there. It's beautiful artworks everywhere, beautiful colourful houses. I am so excited to get there. So on that note, let's go to the metro. To go to Valparaiso. Now this should take around an hour and a half roughly. Now for a return ticket, it was actually 9,200 pesos. I think it's equivalent to around 20 New Zealand dollars, but I will put it down here for you. But yeah, I'm very, very, very excited. It was a mad dash to get on the bus, but we're here now, and we'll see you soon, Valparaiso. And welcome to Valparaiso. So we arrived here. The bus was actually super smooth, and it's a really nice journey. It did take around an hour and 45 to get here, but yeah, really nice seats, really good air conditioning and everything, so it was, yeah, highly recommend. But now we have to catch another kind of metro slash train. Now we're going to a place called Porto. This is where all of the colourful houses will be, and we'll be able to start exploring Valparaiso, but I'm very happy to be here. So we have made it to the top of Valparaiso. Now this gives us a really good view of the city, but this is also the entrance to all of these beautiful streets with all of the street art. This is absolutely what Valparaiso is known for, and so let's go and explore all this beautiful artwork. So first impressions just walking around, it is absolutely beautiful. There's just like so different houses, like it's all of those beautiful little ones in all different colors with little picket like white doors. One thing that I find really strange though is the power lines. So the power lines here are like all piled together in like a big bundle, and I've just never ever seen that before. So lots of people like hook on their power lines and then they like take each other's power. It's really funny. But wow, it is just everywhere you look, there's just all this cool artwork. So cool. We just came to kind of the bottom of Templeman Street itself, and down here the artwork is just on like a whole different level. We just went into this amazing like art gallery, and just the detail of everything is just amazing. Everywhere you look is just like wow, and then you look at something and you want to go see it, and then you see something else. It's just like incredible. Definitely need like a good couple of hours to walk around the streets and just see all of the artwork. But my goodness, Valparaiso is definitely worth coming for the day just to see all of the artworks and stuff, and the views from up here are insane. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us more than you think. Also, don't be shy to leave us a comment, as we always love hearing from you. Now, back to the video. To this place called Fauna. Now Fauna is like this place where it's like a cafe and a bar, and it overlooks Valparaiso, and it's really beautiful. Now what we're going to be trying is like a traditional pesco sour. Now pesco sour is essentially like brandy, lemon juice with like egg whites on the top. Now they say that some of the best pesco sours are in Valparaiso, so myself and Anna are going to try one, and I'm very excited. I don't really like brandy, so it'll be really interesting, but these views are insane. Check this out.
Traditional drink, but I actually never tried it. So it smells a lot of like citrus, you know, lemon and stuff. You can feel the alcohol a lot, but like it's a lot of, you can't feel the eggs, just the lemon. Really good though, refreshing.
Okay, my turn to try the pesco sour. It looks very cool. It's got like a nice froth on the top. I guess that's from the egg whites, but oh, smells kind of strong. It's actually really nice. It's kind of tarty. It's very refreshing. I actually quite like it. It's very smooth as well. Yum. I like it a lot. Cheers! So we just came across this really beautiful place. Now it's called Crystal Cafe. Here they basically have these beautiful rainbow stairs, and we're also going to sit down and have lunch as well. We've ordered one beef lasagna and one vegetarian lasagna as well. But this place is so cool. Definitely one to pin on your map. Crystal Cafe, that's where the rainbow stairs are.
Moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú
So,
quieres.
just finished my vegetarian lasagna here at Crystal Caf. Oh my god, that has to be one of the best lasagnas I've ever had. It was so delicious. So absolutely put this place, Crystal Caf, on your list if you are coming to Valparaiso.
De todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como una.
So, on the mid of Valparaiso is where we can go back to be a kid and go into a street slide. So I'm gonna have my turn now.
Me gusta y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Te sube el pichi, te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono. Pa' esa reina necesito el trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono. Con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú.
Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed our first day exploring Chile. Make sure you stay tuned because we have so much more to come. On that note, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Esos placeres.